Hello and welcome to today's video, guys. As promised in the last video where you actually saw this background here already, and I told you there that I will make a separate video, and as you can see from the title already, it's about an apartment in Bangkok. The reason for that is that, okay, as you know and saw by the videos also, that yes, time by time, or even more times, I am also because of the job in and around Bangkok for a few days, weeks per month, and always using the hotel. That I had the idea, why not find also an apartment like I have of course in Vietnam as well. The thing is that, okay, I can just leave things then there and maybe travel with a smaller bag when I just have to go for a few days to wherever, to Vietnam or to Phuket, and a real base. And I think in the end it's gonna be cheaper as well. More info about that later on. So first of all, I will show you the apartment. So this is the entrance, and then okay, you're coming in. You have then here a small kitchen area. Everything inside is empty. The one who stayed here before took everything. Then this one here, I have to say, didn't know that. We didn't actually talk with the landlord about this one here. But he provided us a completely new refrigerator, as you can see. We still wrapped and packed and form inside, and stickers and anything. I just saw that or recognized that when I was downstairs for get a little bit drinks. So really cool. Didn't talk about that. You will see in this video also that, okay, it's a older building, older place already, but we really like it. So that is just my stuff here right now, the bag, and then my small bag. This box also very good. Our landlord took it and let the people come here inside, because what we did was, okay, we order many things from IKEA, because very nice and easy. IKEA, they have it here in Bangkok, and then we just order the thing what we thought, okay, for the first setup, what will we need, order, and then they have the delivery service. So cheap, delivered already. It was here already, the whole box, when I arrived. The landlord took care about that one. So very good. This is about this box here. Okay, a little bit lounging area right here, and then curtain is here. There are two kind of air cons in the living area, like that, and like that. Both are working. There's a window going outside. I will show you soon. Here just a small TV cabinet table thingy over there. On the balcony we have then a washing machine. It's still working, but I'm still not really sure if I want to keep this one or change it to a front loader. I'm not really a big fan of top loaders. Let's see. On the other side then the air cons for the living area, and then the two bedrooms. We have two bedrooms. More info later. And the most amazing thing is this here. Look at the view, guys. This is the view what we getting here in Bangkok. How nice is that? So for your info, we have the apartment on the very top floor, on the 46th floor of this building, what is really very cool. I love that view, and you will see even more of that. So let's continue. Small table chair situation here. Then here is the first bedroom with a cabinet here inside. Then this is the view from this bedroom. Yeah, how cool is that? 46th floor, guys. 46th floor. Beautiful Bangkok. Yeah. So then, yeah, small table thingy there. What the owner also did without any big problems was, okay, he bring us completely new mattress for the bed. Yeah, they also just arrived today. You can see they are still packed, which is really very cool. And like I said, the owner, yeah, is always a big plus if you have a nice one. Yeah, and then okay, here aircon, of course. This bedroom then has a en-suited bathroom, yeah, with a sink, a mirror, a toilet, yeah, and even a bathtub with here, and then okay, hot water. Yeah, I really like the view, but yeah, wait guys, we still have a bit more. We are going now, this is the first bedroom, the view again to the living area situation. Yeah, going now to the second bedroom. Yeah, also table there, bed, a brand new mattress. Yeah, just arrived today, really cool from the owner. Yeah, so here actually also aircon inside. They also have that closet. Yeah, and then for this room, so we have a corner unit. So two kind of views. So here actually it's the same what we got from the balcony. Just a helicopter coming. So I will zoom a little bit for you the view of Bangkok. I really like that. Zoom out again. And then on the other side we have this kind of view. And maybe if you know a little bit of Bangkok already, one moment, I will explain you in a second what I mean. Enjoy the view first. So what I mean is over there, as you can see, this is the BTS track. So we are very close, also to public transport. We are in between two BTS stations, what is really good. We staying at Sukhumvit 30, is this place. So that is really great location, directly in the heart of Bangkok, which is really very cool. There are just BTS passing by. Cool. Another one coming. So this is also a big plus of this place. That okay, the location here is really great. This was also important for us. Being not too far from especially our workplace, and then okay, from all the thing here in Bangkok, of course, and especially public transport. And then even on the way behind, we have the possibility of the MRT as well. So one thing left here now for you guys. And this is that room. Maybe you saw that one before already. This is the second bathroom. Nothing really that special. It's a little bathroom, with a sink, mirror situation, hot water. Not for the toilet, of course, but for the shower. And then now look at this, your toilet with the view from the 46th floor over Bangkok. How cool is that? Shower in the morning, and then have a great view like this. So really cool place. Very happy that we get this one here. I know now what you want to know, but yeah, you saw in the title already how much is it. Yeah, always the question, how much, yeah, that's good. Yeah, so giving you that idea of this place here, like I said, it's very center. Yeah, it's an older building, of course. Yeah, but yeah, it's really close to, yeah, everything what we would like to have before, and that what was important for us. And the price for this one here is 33,000 baht per month. Yeah, that's, I think, a very good deal. Happy with that. Actually, online it was published for more, but then after talking with the landlord, okay, he went down with the price as well, because he said, okay, I like you guys, you seem very good, and you are not yeah, newbies or something like this. You are staying here for a long time already, so I'm also pretty sure that, okay, you will stay here in the place pretty long. Yeah, of course, this is our plan, of course. Yeah, and then, yeah, the last thing now for you also is why always we. Yeah, so yeah, I will move here in with a very good friend of mine who is coming back to Bangkok and was also looking for an apartment. Yeah, and I know this guy more than 10 years already. So we had the idea, hey, you know what, I will be in Bangkok also sometimes. Why not find a place together and also, yeah, share the cost, of course, would make it then also way more easy for everyone again. Yeah, so that is really good. So that is the reason why I'm saying us and we. I'm moving here inside, yeah, with a very good friend of mine. So yeah, happy with that. So now when I'm coming to Bangkok, yeah, good, also like a place, yeah, not hotel anymore. You can say, okay, I'm coming home, like when I go to Vietnam, okay, I have a, yeah, really fixed place to stay. That is a big difference than always living, yeah, from the suitcase and, yeah, from hotels. So very cool. Yeah, so I will put more later in this video. Yeah, so see you guys. Yeah, so the 46th floor where we staying, yeah, actually it is then possible to go outside as well. Super windy, I think. Yeah, and then it is possible to going upstairs here. And the good thing is that with your key card, yeah, or the people who have the key card, they are only allowed to access their own floor where they're staying. Yeah, and then for us, the lift is just going to the 46th floor. We are staying on 47th floor, and then only the people on the 46th, 47th floor can go up to here. And now look at this, guys. You have your own private rooftop area here. It's way going around there also. And then, yeah, look at this. So who needs the Liburas tower? Yeah, we have some stairs here as well, walking down, and then look at this view. And the beautiful thing is, during sunset time, it really is super amazing. Yeah, it is sunset time right now. Yeah, slowly the sun is setting. What a beautiful city. Yeah, look at this, amazing. Yeah, so yeah, we hang out at this area here a few times now already. So yeah, with your own rooftop area, we don't need to go to any rooftop bar anymore. We just buy some beer from the 7-Eleven, sitting here on the stairs and then enjoying this beautiful view. Look at that. That's really cool. Yeah, so this is also a very good thing of this place, and I'm gonna show you one more. Yeah, so now actually I'm on floor number 34. Yeah, that is then pool area, which looks like this. Yeah, is also included in the rental, of course. Then around you have the view again. Yeah, and then actually there is one more swimming pool on floor number 10, and on floor number 10 is then actually also a gym. which when you staying here is also included in the rent. So let's see if I can use it or not. But yeah, so this is then our whole apartment condominium situation right now here in Bangkok. I really have to say I like this place. Very cool. Staying here, location, like I told you, is really convenient too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one here, and then have a great weekend everyone, and we see us very soon in the next one. Take care guys, bye bye.